वेलकम छ तपाईहरुलाई मेरो याङसेन भ्लगमा है। अन्त आज चाहिँ मैले यो भ्लग चाहिँ बनाएको कारण के हो भने चाहिँ हाम्रो यहाँ वेस्ट बेंगलमा एउटा दुःखको कुरा घटना भइरहेको छ है। अन्त त्यो तपाईहरुलाई सबैलाई थाहा भएकै कुरा हो हैन। अन्त आज चाहिँ हामीले यहाँ कालिम्पोङमा केटीलाई अब त्यहाँनेर हाम्रो वेस्ट बेंगल भित्र नै त्यस्तो घटना भइरहेको छ, दुःखको कुरा भयो है। अन्त आज चाहिँ हामी कालिम्पोङमा 3:30 देखिको र्याली हुँदैछ है। जुनको अब त्यस्तो घटना भयो उसको लागि जस्टिसको लागि चाहिँ हामीले एउटा सानो र्याली राखेको छ है। अन्त त्यसको लागि हामी जाँदैछौँ, तपाईहरुलाई त्यहाँको सानो सानो झलकहरू देखाउँदै गर्छु। त्यति जालसम्म यहाँनिर हाम्रो यहाँ भाइ पनि आइरहेको छ हो। यहाँनिर फेरि सबैजना क्राउड भइरहेको छ। अब यहाँनिर र्याली स्टार्ट हुन आँटेको छ। अब यहाँ सबैजना यहाँ भेला भइसक्यो है। सुन्दुले पनि हाई भनिदिइहाल मेरो भ्लगमा आज। अन्त यहाँ बिल्डिङ
अगाडि चाहिँ टक्कै इन्ट्रो क्या।
Wait, where's the thing?
छेल्यो सबैले त ल भन्नुहोस् ल भन्नुहोस् ल 1 0 आयो आउँछ।
चाहिँ हामी बापा भेला भएको छ यो एउटा प्रोटेस्ट होइन, एउटा हाम्रो जुन चाहिँ एउटा कलकत्तामा आइजिकार हस्पिटलमा जुन चाहिँ एउटा रेप केस भएको थियो है, उहाँ सोलिडरिटी हामी कालिम्पोङको सिटिजनले चाहिँ हामी यहाँ आएको छौँ है। द पर्सन बिहाइन्ड दिस वी गट यङ पिपल बिहाइन्ड दिस है, युक्ता आचार्य एन्ड फ्रेन्ड्स है। हामी उहाँलाई सपोर्ट गरिरहेको छ है। सी टुक द कल है। हामीलाई यस्तै नानीहरूको खाँचो छ हाम्रो कालिम्पोङलाई, र उहाँहरूलाई सपोर्ट गर्नु लागि आज देख्नु भइरहेको छ यहाँ है। कालिम्पोङको टाउनबाट स्कुलबाट धेरै संस्थाहरूबाट मान्छेहरू आएर है यो कजलाई सपोर्ट गरिरहेको छ है। जुन चाहिँ हामीले चाहन्छौँ यो चाहिँ जुन चाहिँ एक्सपिराइट होस्, जुन चाहिँ यो केस छ त्यो चाहिँ फास्ट ट्र्याक कोर्टमा पुगेर चाहिँ जति चाँडोभन्दा चाँडो कल्प्रिटलाई चाहिँ एकदमै उहाँलाई चाहिँ एकदमै कडाभन्दा कडा सजाय दियाजाओस् भनेर चाहिँ हामी यहाँबाट आग्रह गर्दैछौँ।
This is a fight for justice. We're not demanding anything else. We are demanding justice for the deceased person who was brutally raped and murdered. We want justice for 3 things. Justice for the doctor who continuously worked for 36 hours and was gang raped brutally. Justice for her mother who had to go through so much. And justice for each and every one of us here who is scared, and the fight should continue. Thank you.
Great. Again, we don't have a mic, but I hope I can be I'll try to be as loud as possible. First of all, it's really easy to show your anger, your rage on social media, but then turning up here, coming here in itself is a big win-win. So first of all, just applaud yourself, guys. Like, everyone deserves it. It's really sad that in India there are just some cases every 6-7 years that catch up the rage, that catch up the fire and unite the entire country. But it's one of the thousands cases that are actually lost. There are a lot of cases that are never reported because people belong to the marginalized community. So I'm glad that everyone here could come. We can all stand up. We know whatever's happened. We are not here to protest against any government in particular because we are asked not to do that. So this is a peaceful rally to protest against what's happened, to demand justice, to make sure that the culprits are hanged, because we all know that there's not one culprit, but there are many behind it. So let's just stand united And I hope this is not just one of those rallies that are forgotten after 2 or 3 days of its occurring. I hope this is remembered. I hope everyone has that flame burning in their hearts forever. And I hope we keep fighting. Thank you so much, everyone.
Great. Proud of our young people.
How you liking or loving someone does not need to sexualize them. When you look at someone you love, it should send you into a trance, make you write poems, right? We do not need to be hyped up for this, all enraged and angry, because this will put us in a vicious cycle. This cycle will never end like this. But I believe it is time for a better understanding now. We have to understand the cause of this. We have to understand what kind of conversation amongst men leads to such things. If a few young ones need to get slapped for the insensitivity in their conversations, I believe it is time to do so. I believe it is time to educate the boys. It is time to teach them how to appreciate a girl in the right way. It is time that you correct the boys, not the girls. If from a young age they fight for others, fight against their desires, not for their desires, they fight for the women, the girls suffering from all this, because only a flower which is disgusted by itself knows how much it wants to bloom, but it cannot because of all of the emotional suppression and the shaming eyes of the society. It is time you do not forget. And next time if you do forget, you forget because all of this has stopped happening, not because you are ignorant towards this. Until then, we will keep reminding you that we have to fight alongside her. Thank you.
Great. What's your name? What's your name?
Shubham Raj.
So last we have got Panchaya.
Great.
The last, is the last.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Today we gather not only in sorrow, but with deep solidarity with the victim of the heinous crime of Arjikar Hospital. Our heart aches from the trauma she has endured, and we stand united to demand justice and support for her in every possible way. No one should have to suffer such cruelty, especially in a place meant for care and healing. We call on the authorities to ensure swift and severe punishment for the perpetrators so that such atrocities are never repeated. Let us remember that our silence in the face of such violence is complicity. We must continue to raise our voice for those who cannot and work towards a society where women are safe and respected. Today we stand together, stronger, louder, and unbreakable in our resolve to protect and support every woman. We will not be silenced. We will not back down. Together we will bring justice. Thank you.
Great.
No, we are not people who gathered who are of same age or same community. Here we gathered as human beings. I just have few questions to ask because I have my sisters who are in class 6, 7 here with us. Is it because of our clothes that we wear that we get raped? Is it so? Yes or no? No. Is it because how we talk and where we talk and if we should talk or not? Is it because of that? Yes or no? No. It's just because some people have that dirty mindset and because of that all of us are getting exploited. Here we can see together not just women but even men marching together with us. This is a great sign. But I request all of us, let's don't make it a one-day thing. Let's don't make it just an Instagram post that we post today and we forget tomorrow. Let's make it a continuous thing. I even really appreciate Yukta and Neha for doing this because someone was needed to come up, and kudos to them, and I hope we will all carry it all forward together. Thank you.
Great.
We want justice! Devin!
Justice!
फाँसी देऊ हामीलाई जस्टिस चाहिन्छ हामीलाई न्याय चाहिन्छ प्रतिशतात्मक विरुद्ध हल्ला पोल प्रतिशतात्मक समाज विरुद्ध हल्ला पोल नारी शोषण विरुद्ध हल्ला पोल नारीमाथि अत्याचार बन्द गर अत्याचार बन्द गर हामीलाई न्याय चाहिन्छ न्याय देऊ हामीलाई न्याय चाहिन्छ न्याय देऊ नारी शोषण बन्द गरौ बलात्कारी हत्यारालाई फाँसी देऊ बलात्कारी हत्यारालाई कडाभन्दा कडा सजा देऊ नारी शोषण विरुद्ध हल्ला पोल अरे जोर जोर से हल्ला पोल अरे युवा बोलो हल्ला पोल विद्यार्थी बोलो हल्ला पोल
बोलते नहीं बन रहा। अफसोस ये है कि जिंदा है वो भेड़िया, अब भी सांसें चल रही हैं उसकी। दुख ये है कि इंसानियत से भरोसा उठ गया है सबका।